Friend, today's topic is population geography. In for this FIBSc level, there are the two semesters. In first semester, we learn the physical geography, means geomorphology. But the second semester, there is a population geography. Friends, geography is a branch of the natural science, means it study the earth, its nature, and its related concept. In this geography, the simple meaning of geography is geo means the earth, graphy means to the study of the earth. Means in this subject, geography, it study the earth surface phenomena, how there are the dynamic changes and other process is going on. For the purpose of the systematic study of the geography, it has been classified into the main three branches. The first branch is known as a physical geography. The meaning of simple meaning of physical to study the solid, liquid, and the gaseous condition. On this basis, there are the geomorphology means a solid study. The climatology means a gaseous study. The liquid means oceanography, means it is a major branch is a physical geography. The another branch is a social geography, means it studies the man and his activities, means social geography, cultural geography, population, agriculture. These branches are related for social geography. And third branch is the totally depend on the mathematical concept, means to make the measurement, its geometry, it and other the technological factor. For that purpose, there is a cartography, the another is a remote sensing, is a modern branches, and other statistical geography and other aerial photography, these branches. But today I want to pick on the topic of the population geography. Population geography is a branch of the social geography. It is a very one of the dynamic branch of in the geography. Look, this slide is shows how the population of that nation. Means some picture is of the India, some picture of the another nation is China. On this time, the China is very advanced for the purpose of the population. The India is a second ranked country after the China. The total population of the China 140 crore and total population of India 125. The next countries are the America and Indonesia and other countries to there. Friends, this population is not a trouble for any nation. This population is resources because this population is useful for the agriculture activity or the employed activity. This population is a big market as the economic huge, means a population as a resources. But some people philosophers they said that this population is also bad effect on that nation. When there is more population, that time it effect on that the nature condition and environment is going to the trouble for that purpose. My topic for that condition I have been tell to the density, means I will be focus my whole lecture on density, the migration, birth rate, and the death rate also. Look, there is a first topic I have take the density, means number of the people in that living in that area is known as the density. In the desert area, the density is low because there is another causes. In the mountain region, desert region, in the Russia, like at the polar North Pole and the South Pole, there is also population density is low because the number of the factor is affecting. After the some time, I will become on that point. The fertility number of the newborn in that population is known as the fertility. The mortality means this is the death rate. The fertility and mortality is affecting on the population growth. The factor affecting on the density in India, the density of the population is 360 people are living are per square kilometer. Means density, this concept is a geometrical concept as well as a population. Means how many people are living in that per kilometer is known as density. When density is high, that time it is affecting on that the natural or physiographical condition in that region. That's why uh, first point, for the purpose of demographic study, the density is very important. In India, there is a West Bengal, which have the high density West Bengal and Gangetic Valley and Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, because of there is a fertile Ganga River soil, which is very useful or the fertile for the agriculture productivity, the job opportunity, the transportation network, and another is the climatic condition. These factors are affecting on the density. But in the Rajasthan or the Jammu and Kashmir, there is a population is low because there is a population density is low because of the natural causes or the environmental causes. The next one is like the density means density is measured per square kilometer. This is the geometrical area we have been considered, and on the base of density is decided. Nowadays, India's population is increasing. Means its population density is increasing day by day. One time it was 272, then 300, 327. Now it is become 360. In coming period, if population is increasing, again the density is also to the become a very boom or very a large density will be there will be. Then for the systematic, the demographer means who are the demographer, who are the make the mathematical study of this population and it change in number is known as a demographer. The demographer has made this density, arithmetic density, economic density, agriculture, critical, nutritional or physiological density. These are the types of the density, but as a student of geography, we will not go for this whole are the critical and other things. Will be let me go for the arithmetic density. Arithmetic density is a mathematical. It has been considered how many area and how many population is a simple formula. This arithmetic density for the consider of the density per square kilometer area is considered is known as the arithmetic density. Next one, the nutritional density for every population. The food are very important. When density is increasing, it badly affecting on that the food and or agriculture productivity. It convert that nation into the poverty. That's why total population density, the physiological density means a total population divided by the land area and agriculture. Because agriculture land make the food production, it supply the nutrient. Means agriculture is main element which give the nutrition or the food for that population. That's why this formula is important. In India, day by day, agriculture land is become low and population is become high. That's why India have a lot of problem for the food production. Means only India have not product problem for the whole the world has the problem because of the number of the population is increasing and agriculture land is becoming a low and low. Then I will be the factor I have been just few minutes before I have been explained. The density is is affected by the fertile soil, the transportation network, the climatic condition, the government policies, and other these factors is affecting on the density. Then let this I will become on the growth rate means the number of the people, number of the new population is increasing on the present population is known as the growth rate. India's growth rate before the nowadays we are very I am very happy to tell to you nowadays India's growth rate is decreasing. Long ago, it was the 2.4 percentage. After it, 2.1. Nowadays, it is 1.8 percentage. Means growth rate is decreasing. Every nation is trying to how to control the growth rate. Growth rate means new population, how increasing on the total population is known as the growth rate. The natural growth rate means number of the birth the minus by the debt. If this is a large gap, it will be tail. The natural growth rate is high. This is a growth rate. Means the demographer always put his use on this growth rate and density. But India's growth rate is decreasing. In coming after term period to our 18 2040, India's population will be stable up to the 2040 2040 that time it will be happen. After it This is a fertility. Fertility means newborn babies is known as fertility. Newborn babies are necessary for the nation stability, but it may be have some limitation. Means is known as the fertility. Fertility, this process is depend on the young ladies in that population from 40 to 49. Means these group, yes group, women or that ladies will be give the new generation for new baby is known as a fertility. After it, the migration. This is a very current issue in the population. The population, number of the population is changed by the birth rate, death rate, and this is the third one is migration. Migration means the people are make movement from one geographical region to the another geographical region is known as the migration. This migration may be the short-term migration and the long range migration. Means I will be tell the current migration and the permanent migration. This is a world level. This has a very problem is coming. Look at in Afghanistan, people are the migrate from that nation to the another nation. This is known as the migration. Then the types, there are the people who these are the two factors affecting on the migration. One is a push factor and another is a pull factor. Means push factor. That's why people are run away from that geographical region to the another condition is known as the push factor. Why the people are make the migration? The people are the make the migration because of there is a high population pressure. When that region have the high population, these people are the thrown away. They are the going away. Is known. This is one of the high population pressure. Then economic poverty. If that nation have the continuous that geographical region have the continuous the poverty, that time the people are the for the purpose of earning or the employment purpose, these people are the run away. Poor quality of the life. Every person, every man want to might be have the good living of the child. That's why this poor quality of the life is also one. Then inequality when there are the social problem like as Afghanistan, the other inequality problem for ethic problem, no job, the marriage and the bad environment is also affecting on for the purpose of this migration. Like the India is facing these problems in the last the 75 year that time India and Pakistan the dividation, India and Bangladesh, there is Bangladesh and other such a kind the world has faced number of the problems related to the migration. I will be take this is a push factor. Another is a pull factor. Means these are the attraction factor. Means number of the Indian youth Indians are going to the Europe or America for the purpose of the employed and other things. The I will be read that the list able to support the population mean those nations are give the support for population people are run to their more opportunities. The IT engineers of India have the more opportunities in America or the in the European nation. That's why for the purpose of the good opportunity these people, these young engineers or IT engineers are going to their high standard of living. Everybody I have tell everybody want a high standard of living. That's why people are run away from the rural to the urban condition. Accessibility society, good society, the city life, the bright light, the partners, the means the ladies are the migrate from the rural area to the urban area. Means these are the push and the pull factor for the purpose of the migration. Then I will be give the list of the types of the migration. Means rural to urban, urban to rural, rural to rural, and rural urban to urban. Means in the rural areas when population is going to the urban is known as the rural to the urban migration. In India, most of the after the independence, the rural area people are going to the urban life or the urban region. In India, this is a big population migration condition. Urban to the rural, this is a backward from the urban means the city to the people are the coming backward to again their village. This is known as the urban to rural. Means nowadays India is also the new trends has been come urban to rural. And rural to rural means the rural girls migrate in the rural area. That's why it goes to the rural to rural. Urban to urban, this is a high standard of living. Means the Mumbai's youth men are going to the Madras or Bangalore or the Calcutta. Means is known as the urban to the urban migration condition. Then another is a population change. I have tell how the population is changed. Population are of that nations are the changing due to the death rate, birth rate, in migration and migration. These are two types of the immigration and in migration. But this is a factor which are affecting on the how the population is changed of that nation. My dear friend, I have been lightly I going to the conclusion my lecture. Population is not the bad. Population is the resources of that nation. Mean the government of that nation how to decide it to convert it into the good resources. For that purpose, Indian government is giving the good education for our people. In India, there is a special department, Human Development Department, yes, HRDC department. Means these are going to the giving to the good education, good health facility, human right. But that's why the living of the population will be improved. India have the high scope to develop this population into the good resources. My dear friend, you have sincerely here listen to my lecture. That's why I am thank you.